Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF documents digitally. This approach saves you valuable time and ensures your critical agreements are handled efficiently. You can easily complete important paperwork from nearly any location, completely eliminating the need for a physical printer or scanner. It provides a secure, modern, and legally recognized way to manage your documents swiftly and easily, streamlining many processes. Many common operating systems now offer built-in tools for adding your signature directly to a PDF document, providing immediate access without extra downloads. You might also consider using one of the numerous free online PDF editors, which allow you to sign documents directly within your web browser. For a more comprehensive desktop solution, Adobe Acrobat Reader, available at no cost, offers very dependable and widely recognized digital signing capabilities. Creating your digital signature is quite straightforward, offering three main methods for convenience. You can simply type your name, and the application will automatically transform it into a professional digital font. Alternatively, drawing your unique signature directly onto the screen with a mouse or trackpad gives it a personal feel. Uploading a clear image of your handwritten signature is also an excellent option, ensuring it looks exactly like your traditional mark. Once your digital signature is prepared, applying it to your PDF document is a very simple next step. Look for an option such as Fill and Sign or Sign within your chosen PDF software or online tool. Then, you can easily click and drag your signature to its correct position on the document, precisely adjusting its size for a perfect fit. Always remember to save the modified PDF, perhaps with an updated file name, ensuring all changes are permanently stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.